How to create multiple products pages in Shopify. In this video I will show you how to create multiple products step-by-step tutorial. First of all, what you need to do is to click on products option, and from here tap on collections, and we need to create collections. And after that, the second step, I will create page and I will put the collections inside the page, which is our product inside the page. I will show you step by step. First of all, I will create collection and I will name it t-shirt, for example. And after that, what I will do is I will choose collection type, which is manual, change it from automated to manual. And after you complete this, and after that, tap on save on the right top corner, and after this, scroll down and manually you can add your product from here. I will search on it, and from here I have this t-shirt. I will add it, tap on add, and tap on, and he save it automatically. And after that, I will click back and I will create another collection, which is for example beauty. And after that, I will save it on the right top corner. I will make it manual and save it, and scroll down, and from here I will search for my product. I will choose this beauty product and tap on add, and he will add it automatically. And after you complete it, click back, and as you see from here, we have t-shirt collection and beauty collection. And the second step, I will click on online store and tap on navigation, and from here tap on main menu, and from here I will add menu item, and I will name it, for example, categories. And after that, from here I will click on the second option, search or paste link, and I will choose collections, and I will choose all collections and tap on add. And after that, I will add menu item again, and I will name it t-shirt, for example. And I will click on the second option and tap on collections and tap on t-shirt collection, tap on add. And after that, I will click drag my t-shirt item I created, and after that I will drag it on the right and I will let it go. And after that, I will make it as subcategory, not category. I will make it subcategory, which is subcategory inside the category page. And I will click on add menu item to categories, which will be subcategory, and I will name it beauty. And after that, I will click on second option, which is search or paste a link, and tap on collections. And from here you need to choose beauty and tap on add. And after that, as you see, we have categories, and inside it we have t-shirt subcategory and the beauty subcategory, and tap on save on the right top corner. And after that, what you need to do is to tap on themes, and I will view my store first to show you how does it look like. And as you see from here, we have categories page, which is inside it. If I click on this little arrow, will show up to me t-shirt subcategory and beauty subcategory. And if I click t-shirts, and as you see inside it, we have t-shirt product, our product. And if I get back and tap on this little arrow, and click on beauty, and will show up to me the beauty product inside it. As you see, we have a beauty product inside it. And the second step I will tell you, which is get back, and click on pages from here. And from here inside your pages, you can't create page and add a product inside it. The pages is only for example, terms and services or policies and legal pages or about us. If you want to add about us or something like that, you can't add your product right here. If you want to add your product, I already tell you, which is click on navigation and click on main menu, and inside it you can create a menu item. Like categories, I already created, and inside the categories page, and click on this little arrow, and I created subcategories. I already tell you how to do it. And the last thing I will tell you, which is if I click on online store, click on customize, and from here, as you see, if I scroll down, and you can add featured product, and if I click on add section, you can from here add featured collection or add featured product or collection list. You can add whatever you would like. I will add, for example, featured collection, and from here I can change the featured collection name, and I can add description. And from here I will click on select collection, and I will select t-shirt, for example. Tap on select, and as you see, I have t-shirt as featured collection, and you can add as many collection you would like. I will get back, and from here I will click on add section again, and I can add featured product, single product. As you see, I have single product. You can add it right here, and after that you tap on select product from here, and I will select, for example, my beauty product, this product. Tap on select, and you can add it right here as a single product. And if I scroll up, I will have my categories, and click on it from here, this little arrow, and tap on t-shirt, and from here you can add as many products you would like. And under the template we have add section, and you can add featured product, another product, or featured collection. You can do whatever you want from here. As you see, it is very easy tutorial. And basically the last thing I will say, which is if I get back, I will get back, and this is very important, click on products, and from here, after you edit your product, click on any product you have, and you need to make sure is your product live. And from here, sometimes your product will not show up in your store because you didn't enable this option, which is if I click on this little three dots and tap on manage sales channels. As you see from here, we have online store option, and you need to make sure to check mark this to enable it, and after you enable it, tap on done, and after that your product will show up to you in your store. And that's it. This is how to do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.